Hey guys, I'm at the beach right now. So yeah, I did try to make the other video vertically, but there would be two sides on the bars, and I didn't want to do that. So yeah, and just so you know, I'm with some other people, like her, and we're at the beach. But yeah, I might upload the other video, the first one. It was vertically, but it stops in the middle. So, probably won't notice that. But, it's there. And, I guess I'll get back to you guys when we're something that you guys want to see. So, see ya. Hey guys, just before we take the break to show you guys something, you guys might want to see the body of water that we're at. Looks pretty nice. I would swim in it, but it's really cold. Really, really cold. We're gonna walk down to the pier, show you guys more of the sea, you know, the pier that I just showed you. I'm just gonna let you guys get a full look at that when I get down to the end. Yeah. So I'll show you guys that when I get there. As I keep walking down here, I'm sorry that we don't upload that many videos anymore. It's been busy and stuff, so yeah. You might not be able to hear me that well because it's really windy where I am. So yeah. So the audio might be a little bit of a problem, but as we keep walking down there, I'm gonna say sorry for not making that many videos. And let's go! But yeah, there used to be like little ducks in this grass. There used to be a bunch of little ducks. I mean, we can check out the other patch of grass and see if they're there. Yeah, they're not there. And this patch of grass, they're not there. I looked all over the grass, and I actually saw a few things that kind of looked like it. I'm only talking louder because I think you can't hear me. And this seagull's trying to get away with something. I don't know what it is, but it's something, obviously. We go on a boat through here, and we go like really fast. It feels like we're flying, and it's really cool. Just thought I could point that out. Kind of interesting, if you ask me. Here, I'm gonna wait a second because there's a lot of people at the end of the pier. I don't want them looking at me like I'm stupid. Hey guys, I'm at the end of the pier, and this is what the water looks like from here. Think about it. Hey guys, I'm just looking down here and I found a fish. Well, these other guys did, and they're showing me it.
No, Ryan caught it. Ryan caught that one.
Yeah. Still alive. Keep it in the water. But just, yeah, I want to show you that big fish. The really big fish. Hey guys, just wanted to show you. And my dad.
Hey.
He's fishing.
Got one on.
He didn't catch anything. But the other fish, he didn't catch, but another guy I know did. Hoping nobody's looking at me like, why is this guy recording? But yeah, he's fishing. My mom's just hanging out with him, and then my other friend's fishing, and then his friend's fishing. Everybody's fishing except for me. I'm not a fishing fan. If you guys want like fancy effects in my videos, you guys are gonna have to like show me in the comments below, because I would really appreciate to make it fancy, but I just don't know how. I mean, I tried uploading it on a computer, but that didn't work either. Like, it's kind of like Instagram, but Instagram you can like change, you can put words and stuff, but I still don't know how to do that. So if you guys know how to do that, just tell me. And I'll do it. I would totally do it if I have the right stuff. And if I do, then I will show you the comment and I will do it for you guys. I'll actually do a little setup on how to do it. So, yeah. Thank you if you did that. And, yeah. Show you anything if anything exciting comes up. Peace. Hey guys, I just was looking at the ground and I found this. A dissected crab. Before you click off the video, it's not actually dissected, it's just his claws and floating legs. So yeah, check this out. And you can see it's pincher, other pincher, legs, stuff. And there's others down there, but that's probably the biggest of all the crabs that you can find on the ground here. So that's the crabbies, the crabbies, crab. I'm gonna try to get you guys face to face with the seagull. Yeah, but they all go away. As soon as I find one, somebody else walks by them, and they just fly away before I can start recording again to capture it. So I'll find one, let you guys know, and I'll show you it up close. Okay, I found one. It's just flying. There it is. It's going away again. Dang it. It keeps going away. Like, it was just flying in the air like that show where like that bird just flies, but he's actually not moving. He just has his wings and he's just floating. But he's trying to go, but he can't. That's because he was flying this way, but the wind's blowing this way, and he just didn't make it that far. Hey, I found more crabs. Look at that. And then the other one, not really that much of an open. I found a seagull. It's not moving. So, get it closer. No, go back! They left. We're heading back to the cabin. I'm going to show you in there. And stuff. Well, maybe. You know what? I don't even know what I'm going to say anymore. Yeah, I don't know. And this is the last of Shadow Monkey Evolution in this episode, and Shadow Monkey Evolution signing out.